Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers and my sweet community are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see viewers, in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trending most amazing shirts designs of crochet. It's totally handmade shirts collection. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, unique and useful, especially for crochet lovers. So viewers, share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of beautiful crochet dresses ideas. I really hope that they will love this amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and different type of designs. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can must apply these most amazing designs for more beautiful and gorgeous look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. If you all love this article and if you want more designs, more ideas, so viewers, like my video, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay, my lovely viewers, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.